Today, I share with you all how you can cook plain slimy okra soup. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I've already cleaned my okra. It is perfectly clean. I just transfer it into the food processor. I will cover it up and then use the food processor to chop it up. You can use knife to chop the okra or you can use grater to grate your okra. It totally depends on you. This is the texture that I'm going for. I've chopped it. All I'm going to do now is set it aside. In a pot, I just go ahead and add some water, a good reasonable amount of water, and I'm going to go ahead and add some locust beans to it. I'm going to cover the pot and allow the water to boil. Once the water is boiled, I just go in with the chopped okra, the okra that we chopped earlier. I just go ahead and add it into the pot. Once I add the okra, I'm going to beat it till the okra dissolve into the water. We don't want our okras to have lumps, especially because I use a food processor. It is very clumpy together. You guys saw it. So all I need to do is just beating till the okra dissolve into the hot water. Beating the okra too will really help to activate the sliminess, alright? Some people use edible potash in their okra soup, but I don't use edible potash in my okra. I've used a blender to chop it up, so I don't want my okra to be too soft. I like my okra soup to be very crunchy. And using the food processor and beating it together, it activates the sliminess really well, alright? Just look how beautiful, how slimy the okra looks. This particular okra soup, it must be slimy. But if you don't want it slimy, just make it according to your taste, alright? But the sliminess is the real deal for this type of okra. I just go ahead and add my seasoning. I add a little bit of salt to taste, seasoning cube, and I'm going to continue to give everything a quick stir until they are well combined together. You don't want to leave it. If you leave it, it's going to bubble over your stove and you don't want that. I realized that my pot is too small, so I transfer it into another pot so I can have a space to work with. You guys realize that as I was stirring the okra to dissolve the okra in hot water, it is cooking, alright? When I'm adding the seasoning, it is still cooking. Like so now, I'm going to leave it for about a minute or so just to steam together. And that is it. I don't want it to overcook. This process should take about 5 to 7 minutes, nothing more than that. I go in with my crayfish powder and I give everything a final booster. And that is it. It is ready and it's super delicious. This is another way we Yoruba cook our okra soup. I don't know from other tribe, but I'm talking from my own tribe that I come from. This soup is common in our mix. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have the same type of soup. We are going to be having our okra soup with wheat swallow, aka wheat fufu, whatever you call it. I just serve it the way I used to serve begiri, but you can serve it the way you want it. It totally depends on you. I go in with my okra, followed by the stew, and that is it, guys. And if you have begiri at home, you can add begiri to your okra soup. Trust me, it is so delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.